Welcome to Straight Up by edX Live with me, Mritika Banerjee. Today on August 21st, the hunger strike by the Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union entered its 10th day. The key issues raised by the students include the reinstatement of scholarships, the opening of Barak Hostel, the revival of the Gender Sensitization Committee Against Sexual Harassment. They are also demanding a reduction in Viva weightage, the reinstatement of deprivation points, and the revocation of the Central Public Order Manual. Vice-Chancellor of JNU Dr. Shantrishi Pandit made a brief appearance at the hunger strike site today. According to the students, the VC urged the students to end their strike but offered no concrete solutions to their demands. In a press release, JNU-SU stated, and I quote, "JNU VC says that she has no funds for issues related to scholarship and Barak Hostel," unquote. Regarding the reinstatement of the Gender Sensitization Committee and other academic concerns, the VC claimed that legal mandates prevent her from taking action, though the specifics of these legalities remain unclear, said students. The JNU-SU has strongly refuted the VC's claims, calling the arguments of a fund crunch sham and bogus. They pointed out that substantial funds collected through cess by the union government have been redirected to other purposes, leading to a significant reduction in the allocation for higher education in this year's budget. The student leaders are demanding that the VC take a principled stance and advocate for increased funding from the Ministry of Education. In response to the lack of action, the JNU-SU has announced a long march to the Ministry of Education on August 23rd, along with a two-day university strike. JNU-SU President Dhananjay speaks to us on this matter.
पिछले 10 दिनों से हम भूख हड़ताल पर बैठे हुए हैं और लगातार अपनी मांगों को लेकर हम लड़ रहे हैं, जिसमें MCM का मुद्दा हो, हॉस्टल का मुद्दा हो, उसके साथ GSCAS, JUE का मुद्दा हो। आज वाइस चांसलर आई और सिर्फ वही बात जो 4 महीने से वो रिपीट कर रही हैं बातें, वही करके चली गई। कोई हमें लिखित में आश्वासन हमारे मुद्दों को लेकर, हमारी समस्याओं को लेकर नहीं दिया गया। तो हमारा संघर्ष जारी है, हमारी लड़ाई जारी है।
That is all from us today. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to mask up and stay safe.